If you would be, I would be your client, right?
Yeah.
And even if you are certified ethical hacker, right? I have given you all my data and everything, right? To secure.
Yes.
So how I will make sure that you are not hacking my system?
That is depends on like how because it is between the both of us individuals or company to company. NDAs will be written, agreements will be written, that will be signed accordingly.
And what is your IP in your business? What is the intellectual property in your business? Because hackers and cyber security firms are dime a dozen.